Hello world, I am Dr. Satish, your drug doctor. Today's one dad is teriparatide. Para means parathyroid hormone, tide means peptide. It's a parathyroid hormone related peptide or PTH analog. As you already know, PTH is going to stimulate bone resorption, by that it's going to increase the serum calcium. Then why PTH analogs are useful in treating severe osteoporosis? Did you ever think about that? Let me explain it for you. On continuous exposure, PTH analogs are going to cause increase in bone resorption by stimulating osteoclasts. But on intermittent exposure, PTH analogs are going to inhibit osteoclast and it's going to stimulate osteoprogenitor cells like osteoblasts. By that it's going to cause bone formation. It is also known as anabolic effect. This is why PTH analogs are useful in severe osteoporosis with a high risk of fracture. I have a question for you guys. Calcitonin. Calcitonin is going to reduce the serum calcium and it also inhibits osteoclasts. Why don't we use calcitonin regularly for osteoporosis? Kindly do let me know in the comment section. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.